Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation World. This is the continuation of our Java programming 30 days challenge. Right, we are on the day 16 programming challenge. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it. Enable notification for more interesting videos. Right, then day 16. What is the day 16 programming challenge? Find the count of each word in a string. Frequency of words. Right, to find the count of each word in a string. Right here, what is the input? Suppose hi, hello, hi, welcome, hello. Something we need to print output like hi is two times, hello is two times, right? Welcome is one time. Right. I think everyone got the problem statement. Right. Find the each word count. How many time occurs? Right. Whoever joined, please start the program. Right. Parallelly, I am also starting. Right. I'm creating one more class. Day 16 challenge. Okay, then we'll take one input, a string input equal to something hi, hello, write something automation, hello, hi. Okay, then we'll create a one reusable method, private static count words. Okay, count words. Take the input. Right, now split the words. Right, split the words. Convert into string array. Right, array. Input dot split of. We can split with slash s plus. Right, if we have, what is the advantage of if we are splitting with the slash s plus? Slash s means space, plus means one or more spaces. Right, one or more spaces. It will ignore it. Right, then we will take the map object. Right, key as the string, value as the integer. Right, something count. New, we will take a linked hash map. So that what is the advantage of linked hash map? It will preserve the order. Right, it will preserve the order. Then iterate one by one word. Okay, string word. Right, otherwise here you will take a words. Okay, iterate through one by one word. Then what we will do? Count dot put. We will word. Then get the word. Right, we will take the getter default. Right, getter default. If it is there, it will return the count, else 0. Then add the 1 to it. Add 1 to it. Now we can print the count by using the lambda expression. Right, by using the lambda expressions, I will print the. Okay, I will print it. System.out.println. Right, something key. Okay, then plus value equal to v. Okay, just will see it. Right, some mistake. What is the mistake? Right, we did not call it. We have to call it, right? Without calling, how it will print? Call the count words function and just run it. Right, hi 2 times hello, 2 times automation, 1 time Java, 1 time. Right, if you don't want these things, just only we can keep it as a key and value, but append some space. Right, just like this. Okay, now it will print hi 2 times, hello 2 times. Right, whoever attended previous programming, right, previously we have one programming count of characters, right, same way, count of words, count of each word. Right, we are splitting with the space, we are taking one hash map, linked hash map, and here we are doing simple one line of code, count dot put word and get the default. If it is already there, it will return the existing count or default count. If it is not available, it will 0, it will return 0 plus 1. If it is already available, it will return the existing count. Suppose it is returning 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Right, simple single line of code. Right, whoever completed, please paste your answers in the comment section. Right, we will see, right, what are the different ways we can achieve this program. Right, thanks for whoever participated, whoever did not get chance, please get some time and resolve it. We will get right, we will learn, right, we will improve our coding daily, right. If we practice daily, we will automatically improve our coding knowledge. Right, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification, comment in the comment section, and please share to your friends and like the video. Thanks for watching.